welcome to another video. It's another exciting video. This is a challenge video and the challenge is none other than a reverse makeup challenge. So I'm very excited. I'm super excited. I don't know how it's going to go, although I want it to go really well and I want it to be a wearable look. But I don't know how that's going to happen because I've seen a couple of reverse makeup challenges and I don't know if it's wearable or not. On camera, some of them look really good, but they say that it's not good. So I don't know how it's going to turn out. So let's get right into the video. So what this challenge is all about is you have to go about your makeup in a completely reverse way. Like the first step of your makeup will be the last step in this challenge and the last step will become the first step. So for me, the last step always is lipstick. So I am going to start off today with my lips. Even in lipstick, the last step is normally the gloss. I don't always put a gloss, but since this is a reverse makeup challenge and it's going to be really, really interesting, I thought, why not do a couple of extra steps to make it a little more interesting. So I'm using Sweet Sunshine's lip gloss from Too Faced Cosmetics. Let's get started with our reverse makeup video today. I'm really not sure how this is going to turn out. So there, my lip gloss is on. So just wait with lip pencil, lipstick, lip gloss. Lip gloss is done, lipstick and then lip pencil. So for lipstick, today I'm using this P.A.C Pro Lip Pot in Smudge. It's a pink shade. So I'm just going to use my fingers because the gloss is already on. And I don't want to put it on my brushes. So there. It's actually a really, really pretty color. That's not at all bad. Now for lip pencil, I am using a slightly darker shade. This is the lip contour pencil from Faces in Plum Kiss. So this will just give an ombre effect, although I don't know how it's going to look. That's pretty. I actually kind of like it. Just that the lip pencil is not serving its purpose of keeping the lipstick and lip gloss in its lines, but that's actually pretty fun. Before lips, what do? I do my face. Normally, my normal routine is eyes, face and lips. Sometimes I do face, eyes and lips. But let's go with eyes, face and lips today. So now I'm going to work on my face. So on the face, what's the last thing that I put on? The last thing that I put on is a highlighter. So normally it is contour, blush and highlight. So it's going to be highlight, contour and blush. So for highlighter today, I am using this Glow Getter Highlighter Duo from Nykaa. Let's just hope for the best and let's go ahead and... I thought there was a mirror in this. There's no mirror. Sorry. That's a very pretty highlight. So I'm really going in with the highlighter because anyway this is going to go down when I put more product on top. I'm going to go a little here and a little here, and I normally take it on my fingers and that's not as bad, thank God. And very few times I do this on the nose. I don't normally like to put a lot of highlighter on the nose, especially the tip of the nose. So today I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Medium to Tan Contour Kit and I'm going to use their darkest contour. That is the shade called Espresso, and I'm going to take a contour brush and I'm just going to... Today I can be very free with my contour, highlight, blush because it's all going to go away into the foundation when I'm going to put it on top of this, although I don't know how that's going to turn out when I'm doing all the steps. Why not contour my nose as well, and then under my jawline. If I have done these things with cream products, it would have been really good, because then I would be able to blend everything together really well. I don't know how it's going to turn out with the powder products below the cream products. So today I'm using the Benai HP Fashion Rouge palette, and I'm going to use this coral blush today. So I'm really going heavy on everything today. Because why not? It's going to hide in my foundation in any place. So there, how pretty am I looking right now? And then, what do? Blush, contour, highlight. Before that, I powder my face. So today I am using this Benai Luxury Powder in the shade Beige. And I'm just going to add powder first. And then, I don't know how patchy it's going to look. Result. Because I'm also sweating a little bit. So when I powder, I also do that a little bit. But I'm not allowed to do it because I have done my eyes first in this. So that's the reverse. Okay, I'm so sorry. I forgot that my eyes are supposed to be done when I'm powdering. So let's just cancel that and forget about it. And that's why you don't put lipstick at the beginning. So yesterday I tried to write down all the steps in reverse, but it was so confusing. It was extremely confusing. And before I powder my entire face, what I normally do is I take a small flat eyeshadow brush and I dip it into powder and I powder under my eyes. I'm really going to get into trouble today with the foundation and concealer, but it's a challenge, so I will just try to make it work. No cheating whatsoever. Then what do I do? Concealer. So for concealing today, I'm going to use this Benai R2i1 yellow highlight. And I'm going to mix it with the orange corrector from Kryolan Derma Quality-Free, and I am going to mix both of them with this foundation shade called A64 that is going to serve as my concealer. So normally, like Derma itself is pretty dry, so what I'm going to do is it will not move on my face. I know that it will not move on my face. So what I'm going to do is I am just going to mix it in with a little bit of moisturizer so that I'm able to make it move. I don't want this to look patchy. After that also, if it looks patchy, then can't do anything, but I'm trying to do my best to make this look presentable. So, and then I'm just going to use my fingers to try and blend it in. Only thing is I will not be able to set it with powder because we've already set the face without the makeup on. Moving on to the foundation now. I'm using this Essence Stay All Day Long 16-hour foundation. This is in the shade number 30 Soft Sand. Let's just see how this looks. There, everything has gone for a toss. This is actually a pretty light shade for me now because I've tanned so much. The shade was a really good shade initially. It's so difficult to work around the lips when you already have your lipstick on. Those of you who have taken the reverse makeup challenge already would know it. It's just crazy. But it's fun and we are all in for fun. Because what's life without fun, right? And on the neck, I also tend to go around the ears, on the ears. So there my foundation is on. Although it looks okay right now, I have not been able to go very close to the lips. So you can see a major gap where the foundation is and where the lips are. I'm just trying to go closer. That seems to be better. Okay, so now is the time for eyebrows. After I do my face, I do my eyebrows. No, wait. Time for some primer. For primer, I am using the P.A.C Zero Pore Separation Cream. I use this on majorly my T-zone, and my makeup is going to get, yeah, that's what I wanted to say. You imagined it right. And this is what I do with my primer. Normally I am actually very happy to apply the primer, but oh my god, all the hard work has gone down the drain. Alright, moving on to the eyebrows. I haven't been using a brow gel for a long time now, but for this challenge, why not? So I'm using this Fabubrow Shape and Set Gel from Jordana. This is in number 4 dark brown. So first I'm going to set my brows and then I'm going to fill them in. How interesting is that concept? So there my brows are set. I actually don't want to fill in my brows because this looks like okay. I can do that, right? I mean, my makeup is as good as not there. To fill in my brows, I'm just going to take this dark brown shade from the Ben Nye Essential Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm going to take an angular brush and just going to quickly fill it in. And now coming to the eyes. The last step always on the eyes is lashes. So I am going to put my lashes on. I'll do it off camera and I'll just see you in a bit. Oh my god, it started raining so hard right now. I don't know if you can hear the rain through the video. The good part about putting lashes before eyeshadow was that I didn't have to bother about my eyeshadow or my liner spoiling. And the bad part was that this guy was acting really funny and it took me a long time to make it stick. So now that all of this is in place, the next step is going to be mascara. So I'm using this Mega Protein Mascara from Wet n Wild Cosmetics. It's not my favorite, but it is waterproof. And so I normally do not put on mascara after I put my lashes because that spoils the lashes, and I tend to use my lashes more than once. So I'm going to put mascara on the lower lash line, on the lower lashes as well, because that's how I normally do it. I put mascara on upper and lower lashes together. So this actually spoils the skin a little bit. I don't know if it's the issue with the wand. I have been thinking of using a separate wand and trying it out. Maybe it's the wand, maybe it's the mascara, I don't know. Trying to gel both of them together. This one started looking a little bit funny as well because of whatever it has gone through just now. So now let me think. Lower lash line. Today I am going to use these two palettes. So on the lower lash line, first I do my outer corner and then my inner corner. So I think, first I do my inner corner and then I do my outer corner. So I'm going to do my outer corner first. So I'm taking a thin pencil brush, and for my outer corner I am going to go with this deep brown shade from the palette, and I'm going to give an outer corner definition to my lower lash line. Let's see how this goes. After the mascara, I don't know why I'm making that face, but it just makes me feel that it will be easier to reach under my lashes to do my lower lash line. It's happening automatically, I'm not doing anything. So if I was putting any kajal, I think kajal would have been before this. But since I'm not, it's so much difficult to move this around because there is no powder here already. Normally when I powder my face, even if I don't powder my face, it's not this sticky, and I didn't want it to be this dark. I didn't expect that it will end up being this dark. Okay, so I'm just going to clean that a little bit, and I'm going to go into the lighter shade now, and I'm just going to try and lighten it out and blend it out a little better. This I wouldn't have normally done, but since it's looking like, I don't know, it's looking really bad, so I thought I'm just going to try and make it a little better. I should have taken a lighter shade maybe. I'm going to use this shade right here, and I'm going to use it for the inner 1/4 of my lower lash line. These are really pretty eyeshadows. The blend Rouge eyeshadow from Suede Cosmetics. These are really pretty, and they are very pigmented as well. For inner corner highlight, I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm just going to highlight. This is normally my last step. I'm really having to close my eye. Time for some liner. So I have my liner here. Today I'm using Arrested for Overstay liquid liner from Sugar Cosmetics again, and this is going to be difficult. Okay. That is difficult. I can't see on this one at all. Only God knows how I'm doing my life. The only thing that I can see is that when it goes wrong. That's not bad, right? So now for the eyeshadow, I normally do the crease and outer corner first and the lid later. So on the lid, I am using the same color from Sugar Cosmetics eyeshadow quad that I had used on the inner 1/4 of my lower lash line. That's a really pretty color, and these are highly pigmented. The same thing on the other side. The same thing on the outer corner and the crease. I'm going to use this extremely dark color, and I'm going to use a fluffy blending brush to blend all of that in. Starting with the outer corner, because outer corner is something that I do in the last when doing crease in outer corner. So that's the outer corner, and then taking the same color, just put it into the crease. I'm also going to take it a little bit up. With lashes on, it's like really difficult for you to see what's going on. And the lash came off. Awesome. So I need to fix that again. This lash is like getting on my nerves now. So now I hope that stays in place. So I guess that's it. My reverse makeup challenge is complete. Let me know what you guys think. I just think that because of all the finger blending of the primer and the foundation and everything, nothing looks patchy on my face. Like nothing, there's absolutely nothing that is patchy on my face. There are no patches, but there's no coverage right around here. The coverage under the eyes has gone for a toss. The lipstick is not as perfect. The eyeshadow is could have been better. The liner could have been better, although I have tried to do everything as well as I could given the challenges, and I really enjoyed this challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Let me know in the comment section below what you thought of this video and this challenge, and hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. I hope you guys are having a great day. So here's wishing a wonderful week ahead, and I will see you again very soon in another cruelty-free video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.